your autograph now? Or?
Kiss the Ground created this purchasing guide to help people eat well, build soil, and regenerate the planet by making conscious purchasing decisions.
As a mom, the purchasing guide is great because it helps me make decisions when buying food, but it also serves as a great tool for kids to learn about foods that are good for their bodies and for the environment.
I really believe that if we work together to ask questions about where our food comes from and how is it grown, that we as communities can help bring about that future. And then my son will never have to ask questions about whether food is good or bad.